Well, thanks to our booming economy, Sawmill's been sitting quiet for about 2 weeks now. We've had so little activity on the mill in the last 2 weeks. We have a bird nest. Birds have taken up residence. Well, guys, sure be nice to get some wood orders. We were so busy for the last year we couldn't turn around. Now all of a sudden it's dead. So I guess we're going to go up and work on the tree forts. Hey guys, it's Saturday and we're heading up into the woods. Got a project going? Still? Ongoing. Deer stands number 3 and number 4, or as they're affectionately said to us by my wife, tree forts. All right, let's head up in the woods. Hard to believe, just a short 3-4 weeks ago it was all snow. Okay, so this is what we got completed on mine last night. We got one more board to put up and one more board to cut, and then we're going to run over and assemble Tim's frame. Okay, frame is done on this one. All ready to put siding and the roof on it. Build a hatch for it.
Windows.
Gotta get some windows yet.
Winders.
That's my food plot right there. My first food plot. Got a swamp down in there. And of course the mountain up there. All right, we're gonna go get the other one framed up. All right, we got the ladder up. 4 corner posts up. Gonna put the cross pieces on. We got the hatch built. Moving right along. Everybody laughed at me because I built the whole house with a chainsaw. Tim's not a chainsaw type guy. He likes to use the sawzall and the circular saw.
Modern day.
Modern day.
But
He's good with that sawzall though.
you had to say something, didn't you?
Yep. Don't stretch that good anymore.
Oh, this is usual of a chainsaw, right?
Looks like it's a more manageable. Get it? Got it. We're good. All right. That's Tim's food plot right there. We got to cut a couple of trees down out of the way for a straight shot.
Just the little ones.
He's got another stand over in the corner there, but it's an open stand. It's a tree stand, but it's all open, no roof, no nothing. It rains, it's cold, you freeze from the elements. This is going to keep us from freezing. Now, if you see right here, there's a ravine. That ravine leads to the swamp, the same swamp that I was pointing on mine. And that ravine comes up and goes right up the top of the mountain. And the deer love to walk that ravine. He's in a really good spot right here. When he sat in that tree stand over there, he used to see deer running up and down the ravine all the time, and they were too far away for a shot. Now, we're 30 yards from it.
With a bow.
You like it?
I like it.
Good. All right, we gotta go build a hatch for mine, so when we put the roof and the sides on, we don't fall through the hole, because we are two old klutzes. For a good challenge?
What?
Here, take the Sawzall.
Okay. No.
Come on, chicken shit.
No. Come on. Quit playing.
Okay, we're back over at Rick's stand. Cutting some boards for the hatches. The hatch. So we never waste a trip with log arches. We still have a couple logs up in the woods, so we decided to take one down with us.
I can't believe how well these things blend with a...
I know, you stand right there.
Uh-oh.
This is the ravine.
Damn it.
What's the matter?
Every time we build a stand, there's deer turds by it. What are we gonna... Can't get away from them. What the hell?
I know. We only come up here to sleep, right?
Well, I guess we have to move my stand.
Alright, so this is that ravine we were talking about earlier. It runs right up from the swamp. It goes right up through there. And this is a nice spot. This is a spot the deer really run through. Hence, the deer turds. Alright, guys.
Oh, you smart pill.
Tim's food plot. Look at all the clover. You got clover everywhere in here. There's a stand right there. You see all the clover? I wouldn't touch it. God, you gotta love these battery operated tools. Okay, the frame is totally done. Only thing we have left to do is put the wrap on it, and then the siding and the roof and shingles, windows, and then some personal stuff inside. Wasn't too bad today. Black flies are still horrid. All right, I think this is going to wrap up today. Got a few other things we need to get done. I don't think either stand's in a good spot, though. I haven't seen a single deer since we started building it.
Me neither.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.